Next is question number 86, which says that the length of projection of the line segment joining the points A, that is 110, and B, that is -324, on the plane 2x plus y minus z equal to 3 is. Let us say this is the line and this is the plane, right? So we have to find the projection of AB. Let us say this is 110 and this is -324. So we have to find the projection of this line on this plane. Now, if I say that the line AB and the line normal to this plane are making angle theta with each other, then the length of projection will be equal to AB vector mod into sine theta. Is that clear? So let us firstly find cos theta, which will be equal to, let us say, vector AB is equal to -3 minus 1, that is -4i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap, and this eta vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap, right? So we have to find the angle between AB vector and eta vector. Cos theta will be equal to AB vector dot eta vector, that is equal to -8 plus 1 minus 4 upon under root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 6, into under root of 16 plus 16 plus 1, that is 33. Modulus of this, so this is equal to 11 upon under root 6 into under root 33, which can be written as under root 11 upon under root 18. So this is the value of cos theta. Now, from the triangle rule, this is under root 11 and this is under root 18. Hence, sine theta will be equal to under root 7 upon under root 18. This is the value of sine theta. Hence, we can say that the length of projection is equal to mod of AB vector, that is under root of 33 into root 7 upon root 18, which is equal to root 77 upon root 6. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 87, which says that a pair of dice is thrown independently 3 times. The probability of getting a score of 10 exactly twice is. Let us see in which ways we can get a score of 10. The possibilities are 4, 6, 6, 4 and 5, 5. These are the only 3 possibilities. Let us say the probability of getting a score of 10 is P. Hence, it will be equal to 3 upon total number of sample spaces 36. So this is equal to 1 upon 12. Hence, we can say that the probability of not getting a score of 10, let it be Q, will be equal to 11 upon 12. Hence, the probability required will be equal to, as we have thrown it 3 times and we want to get P exactly twice, so we have to select any 2 from 3. So it will be equal to 3C2 into P square, that is 1 by 12 whole square, into 11 by 12. Solving this, it will be equal to 11 upon 576. Hence, the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 88, where it is given that Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 2 square into 1 into 2 and so on up to n terms. Then S7 upon S6 equals. Trth term can be written equal to, as we see here, sum of these two is giving me 3, this is giving me 4 and this is giving me 5. Hence, the rth term will be r plus 2 upon 2 raised to the power r plus 1 into r plus 1, right? So this is equal to r plus 2 can be written as 2 into r plus 1 minus r upon 2 raised to the power r plus 1 into r plus 1. So this can be written equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power r into r minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power r plus 1 into r plus 1, right? This is the rth term, as we have to find the sum of nth terms. So we can see that sum of n terms will be equal to, putting r equal to 1, we will get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 plus, putting r equal to 2, we will get 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 and so on. So nth term will be equal to, cancelling these two, this will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1. So we can see that S7 upon S6 will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 8 into 8 upon 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 7 into 7. So solving this, we will get it equal to 2387 upon 2384. Hence the correct answer is option number 1. Next is question number 89, which says that P to Q and Q to P is logically equivalent to. Let us solve it by truth table. Let us say this is P and this is Q, and this is P to Q and this is Q to P. This is T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. Right? So here we will get T, F, T, T, and here we will get. Now P to Q and Q to P. This will be equal to T, F, T. And if we will find the value of P if and only if Q, then it will also be T, F, F, T. Now as these two are equivalent, hence the correct answer is option number 4. Next is question number 90, which says that standard deviation of the following data is. Let us say the data is given as this one. Right, let us say this is XI and this is FI. This is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. And FIs are 3, 4, 7, 5, 10, 11. Finding the value of XI into FI, it will be 6, 12, 28, 30, 70, 110. Summation of XI FI will be equal to 256 and summation of FIs is 40. So from here we can find the value of X bar, that is equal to 256 upon 40, that is equal to 6.4. Further, finding the value of FI into XI square, it will be equal to 4 into 3, that is 12, this is 36, this is 112 and this is 180, this is 490 and this is 1100. So summation of FI XI square will be equal to 1930. Now we know the formula of variance, that is sigma square is equal to 1 by n into summation of FI XI square minus X bar square. So this will be equal to 1 by 40 into summation of this is equal to 1930 minus X bar square, that is 6.4 whole square. Solving this, we will get it equal to 729 upon 100. Hence, the value of standard deviation, that is sigma, will be equal to 27 upon 10, that is 2.7. Hence, the correct answer is option number 2. So, this was the AIATS which was held on 10th of February. Thank you.